With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this particular glue, and I'm going to be using this clear nail which I've already installed, and I'm going to be using this natural looking nail polish. That's what I'm going to be using. I don't want anything crazy out there. I'm going to be using these Sally Hansen ones, the clear one and the pink one, as hard as nail, and the treatment one. I'm going to be using, I used the clear one, which is a treatment, under my nails before I started. So yeah, I'm going crazy here because I'm doing it. This is a Sunday morning, and because of the lockdown, we're doing home church, so I was just doing the praise and worship beat while doing my nails and my hair, So I've already installed this, like I said. So I'm just gonna go ahead and file this nail. Before I fixed this nail, what I did is, like, I pushed in my cuticles, shaped my nails, painted it, put the Sally Hansen treatment underneath, find the nails that are exactly the shape and the curve of my cuticles, and put it in there. So this is what you do when you find the nails that suit you. Push down your cuticles, file your nails, put the treatment underneath, and then start. I didn't want to show that bit because I don't want this video to be so long. So you go ahead and file the round down the cuticles. That's why I filed most, because I wanted it to look like the nails is growing off my skin. So I took my time and I used different nail files to file this, to make sure that I get down like that bit close to between my cuticles, and the nails are very flat and it does not look like fake one. So this is, if you want your nails to look natural, you need to sit down and then take your time, be patient with it, file it down very, very well between your nails and your cuticle for that place to be very, very, very flat. So I'm going to go ahead, do this, and I'll show you guys how the final filing is before we go ahead to the next stage. So I'm just going to let you go. So if you notice, my left hand was longer than my right hand. I made it so because obviously I use my right hand more than my left hand, so I made it so like that. So if you wish to do yours like that, better for you. Listen, the glue I use for this, I'm not going to mention it. I'm not going to tell anybody what it is. It's just a glue. Use whatever that suits your skin, because some glues can really, really be harsh on skin, especially after Gorilla Girl snot and all that. I do not want to tell anybody what glue to use. Use whatever that is comfortable for you. Any glue that can glue your nails that is comfortable for you, please go ahead and use it. Do not ask me what I use. What I use is what suits me. I use a glue nail, so use what suit you, so that I'm not telling anybody that it works for me and it will not work for you, or you have rashes or reactions using it and all that. Please use what works for you. Thank you very much. So right about here, I just noticed that my thumb is not fully glued, and I had to go back again with the glue. Yes, this is part of the process. If you're doing this and you realize one of the nails are not fully covered or you're not convinced, just go ahead and put in some glue in there even while it's fixed already. Yes, you can do that, just to make sure you are not just working in vain after everything and then the nails just fall off. That would be a shame. So go ahead and use whatever glue you're using to fill in that space. Just pour it between the nails and your own nails. That's what I did, and it went in, and then I make sure that it dried off before I continue filing. And this glue I used is a very good glue because it held very well, and I had this nail, to be honest, for 3 to 4 weeks, and it was just going and ongoing. I'm like, nah, I'm gonna take it off because I'm not about damaging my own nails. And this is my very first official nails that I fixed myself. Like, I'm proud of myself that I took so much time to do this, and it came out really well. I loved it, and everyone was asking me, why did you make your nails? I'm like, I made it. So you know, when you're proud of yourself like that, I made my nails and I'm so happy. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave you again to go ahead and watch till the end and see the final look. Oh my god, I loved it. I'm gonna also do it again. Literally been doing it, but I haven't been showing it because I feel like, you know what, I've shown it already, so what's the need of doing another one and showing it? So let me just rock it, you know. So yeah, I'm just letting that thing dry down and then gush down between the nails, my own nails and the other one, and then the artificial nails. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. Please make sure you ask me a question if you are confused or you don't know what to ask, but do not ask me about the glue because I'm not answering you anything about the glue. Highway. Okay guys.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams hold through the fields of our paths. Feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue, and you are shades of grey, living day to day.
So this is my final look, guys. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed out there. Bye. God bless.
Is a say